What's good, everybody? You know who it is. It's your boy, Monty Trades, and I'm back again with another video. So let's just go ahead and jump right into it. Today, I did take a sell on Dow. But today, intuition played a big part of my trading. I'm going to jump right into it as far as why I say intuition played a big part. And as you become more experienced in the market, more time spent, you'll start to notice that intuition actually plays a part in your trading abilities. It's not just your strategy. Sometimes your strategy can look like it's there, it works out, everything is in correlation of what makes you enter into a trade. So what we're looking at here is a 15-minute order block. Right below that 15-minute order block, you see these two lows. It's actually three lows. I went ahead and put my take profit at the third low, which is the wick all the way at the bottom. Now, my thought process before entering into this trade, I was like, this is when my intuition kicked in. I'm like, damn, should I take this trade? It's my setup is right next to the liquidity level short-term low that could be taken out. But the risk to reward wasn't there as far as the short-term lows that were currently like in my face. So I'm like, damn, should I take this trade? Then my intuition was like, just take the trade. So I took the trade because the setup was there. Now, as I was entered into the trade, I then, like, for some odd reason, when I know I'm not in a good trade or a trade that can possibly turn around on me, my heart start to beat like real fast. I get like my intuition start to kick in, and that only happens when I know the trade is not going to turn out right. I just get the bubblies in my stomach, like butterflies, but plus a adrenaline rush. So I'm like, when I felt that, I already knew that's when my intuition was kicking in. It was like, okay, once this trade breaks this other 15-minute low, pretty much remove my stop loss to a lower stop loss. What I mean is drag my stop loss down a bit, because my intuition is telling me that. It's not even about market structure, it's about intuition. So when I noticed that, when I felt that, I moved my stop loss down below the wick, above the wick. Then once price went ahead and dropped down a little more, I said, nah, I'm just going to go to break even. So the trade actually literally played out in the opposite direction, meaning the trade shot all the way back up to my original stop loss, and it went ahead and took out those highs that you're looking at above the top wicks. So so pretty much, hey, intuition plays a big part in the trading. It's not just the strategy, it's your gut. You gotta trust your gut sometimes, and it steers you well. So with that being said, thanks for watching. Go ahead and like, comment, subscribe, and let's see if we can get another setup this week. Peace.